How to access your Roku device's secret screens. Roku is renowned for its easy-to-use interface, making it one of the leading streaming devices in the US, allowing users to stream their favorite TV shows from sources such as the Roku channel, Pluto TV, and more. Although Roku OS may appear straightforward, it has many hidden features that not everyone is familiar with, such as secret Wi-Fi diagnostics and advanced developer settings. To access the secret Roku menus, Cat Insider has provided some tips to these hidden options. Secret wireless menu. If you want to learn about your Roku's wireless connection, such as checking how well your device is performing, you should explore the secret wireless menu. To access it, tap the home button on your remote 5 times. Now press up, down, up, down, up. Secret ads and screenshots menu. The secret ads and screenshots menu is designed to give you more control over ads and screenshots. To access it, tap the home button on your remote 5 times. Now press up, right, down, left, up. Secret Channel Info menu. The Secret Channel Info menu allows you to see which app versions you have running on your Roku device. To access it, tap the home button on your remote 3 times. Then press up twice, followed by left, right, and then left again. Secret Network menu. In the Secret Network menu, you can check your internet connection, find your IP address, and even set up a new connection. To access it, tap the home button on your remote 5 times. Now press right, left, right.